Martin Brokers is one of the oldest money brokers, voice money brokers in the market. They've been around for about 110 years. We've got about 220 staff in London. We've got remote offices throughout Europe and a remote office in New York and Amsterdam as well. The environment is predominantly voice trading. We use desktop PCs, we have a virtualized server environment and a load of comms equipment as well to handle third parties such as Reuters, Bloomberg and various other confirmation methods as well. The IT team at Martin Brokers consists of 4 technical support people, 1 dedicated communications engineer, myself running IT. We also have 2 key testers for our internal ticketing system and 4 developers. The environment that we have here at Martin Brokers, we're voice brokers, we have dealer board systems, we use PCs on the desktop, we have a virtualized server environment, and we also have a number of communication links to handle products such as Bloomberg, Reuters and various confirmation methods. The challenge came in where we needed to satisfy an FSA requirement to be able to prevent removable USB devices taking data out of the organisation. Basically, we needed to be able to control access to the network from devices such as iPods, USB storage devices, MP3 players, digital cameras and devices of that nature. We did have a product in place. The product was very difficult to use. The information that it was providing was low-level machine language. It was hard to understand which machine was being accessed with the removable device, what data was being taken from it, and the volume of data that was being taken from it. We went out to tender with various vendors and the internet, and VigilancePro was the product that we decided was the best fit for our organisation. The implementation for us was fairly swift. It was about 3 days for us to implement the server. We have a virtual environment, so we could build a virtual server within a matter of minutes. We had a consultant come on site, then they assisted us with installing the SQL backend and then the actual VigilancePro product. The rule set was the bit that took the most time for us. It took us about 2 or 3 days to get those rule sets correct and accurate, tested and verified that everything was going to do what we wanted it to do. The benefits we're seeing at the moment is a more proactive management approach to removable devices. We get email alerts based on successful and authorised devices connecting to the network, as well as unsuccessful unauthorised devices accessing the network. We also see information such as what data is being copied from source to target and the volume of data, and be able to build up trends and see if people with authorised devices are actually taking data out of the company. In regards to using future options within the VigilancePro product, we certainly would look to use some of the file permissioning functionality. We would also look to use some of the keystroke recording, and I'm pretty confident that the product will deliver any future FSA requirements on compliance. The product has been very easy to use. The interface, the management interface is certainly very friendly. The alerting is comprehensive and flexible, as are the rule sets. The staff initially were resistant, as is all change in an organisation. What we tend to do is every time the machine starts up, we have the ability to put up a splash page to say that there is monitoring software on your machine, and any requirement for authorisation of removable devices, pick up the phone and call the help desk on extension 200. So overall, very happy with the product. We did have a look at a number of products. The VigilancePro product was a first-tier product which didn't just focus on USB device lockdown. It also gave us options to look at file management, data management, and various other hooks such as connecting to CCTV. VigilancePro was certainly the most comprehensive security product that we came across, easiest to use and provide us with the most flexible alerting and rule sets. It's certainly very important for us as we have to comply with all the FSA regulations, and as they're changing on a frequent basis, we need a product that's flexible enough to be able to move with the FSA requirements and deliver what we need for our organisation. I would certainly recommend the VigilancePro product. It has certainly covered the compliance requirements for us at the moment and hopefully in the future. And the Overtis team, professional, swift support and great product management. Definitely recommend it.